Hello, I'm Diego Devalle, Chief Product Development Officer at Guidewire. Today I'm here at Guidewire headquarters on our rooftop, and it's a beautiful day to welcome you to Guidewire streaming event launching our latest cloud release, Elysian. For the last 3 years, we've been on a mission to power insurance innovation through a new cloud-based platform, Guidewire Cloud. Today, we're excited to report that more and more customers are choosing Guidewire Cloud to enable the speed, agility, and innovation needed to carry their business forward. Back in 2018, our strategy for a cloud-first approach was guided by a very clear vision: deliver our software as a cloud service on a platform specifically optimized for the P&C insurance industry. And that vision became a reality when we launched Guidewire Cloud Platform, or GWCP, in late 2019. GWCP became the foundation for new releases every 6 months. Today marks our 5th release, Elysian, and I can't help but say this is our best release yet. To keep things simple, we will walk you through some of the key highlights of Elysian in 3 main areas: platform, application, and content. We will start with platform, and I will cover the key capability of GWCP, including digital, data, and analytics. Then I'll hand it off to Amy Mullen, who will cover applications, including Insurance Suite and Insurance Now. Followed by Eugene Lee, who will review content, which include solutions, product models, and prepackaged templates to accelerate deployment. So let's get started with platform. There are 5 guiding principles that inform the evolution of our cloud platform. Make it easier to adopt and run, make it easier to define and configure, provide the best developer experience, enable a data-driven approach across applications, and finally, make it faster and easier to integrate. I want to highlight the growing scalability and maturity of Guidewire Cloud Platform, which make it easier to adopt and run. Over the last several releases, we have dramatically increased the number of regions available worldwide, the number of cloud customers, the number of environments supported, and the number of deployments made live. Fast forward to today, and you will see those numbers continuing to grow. Customers are definitely moving, and moving fast, to our cloud. With this release, we are delivering the next level of self-service customer dashboard to improve operational visibility and observability. Powered by Datadog, this will initially include dashboard for logs management, like you see it here. In this example, we have set the data refresh rate to 5 seconds, so you can see the chart and graph being updated dynamically. This dashboard will then be expanded on a month-to-month basis to include application metrics, like the one shown here for Policy Center, highlighting submission quoting and binding. And coming soon, our Application Performance Management, or APM dashboard, will make it easier for customer ops to work with Guidewire support to troubleshoot issues related to application performance in production. The next imperative is making our platform easier to define and configure. Here, I'll focus on how Advanced Product Designer, or APD, define a new paradigm for visual configuration driving automation. We call this APDification of the product lifecycle. With APD, what starts as a visual product becomes the basis for automated generation of code, workflow, and even data schema. These are used to automatically create critical artifacts that further simplify configuration. When APD was first introduced in Aspen release, the focus was on transforming Policy Center. Now, in Elysian, for early access customers, we have extended APD to jumpstart the implementation of Claim Center project. These include building the claim line of business and data model, as well as the auto-generation of the basic first notice of loss screen. Finally, we have enabled APD integration with Insurance Now, and this works for a growing number of prepackaged insurance products available under the Guidewire Go program. You can see an example here, an important homeowner product based on APD that dramatically accelerates the product definition phase. Now, we can't claim to provide the best cloud platform for the P&C industry if we don't also provide the best developer experience. We think about empowering developers in 3 ways. First, provide open and extensible APIs to all our core business functions that work with standard development tools. Second, augment those APIs with modern cloud-native services that have been externalized to operate outside the core. And third, offer business-friendly tooling that enable better collaboration across the business. Today, there are more than 400 RESTful Cloud API and 200 plus Edge API available for digital apps development. This growing list of API enable new cloud-based service for policy, billing, claims, and analytics. We are delivering new generation of configuration apps and visual tools that enable a business-friendly no-code approach. APD visual model helps achieve better alignment between business user and developers during the inception phase of the project. APD then drives code generation and automate the creation of other key artifacts, dramatically accelerating development during the implementation phase. This now enables faster development of Insurance Suite integration and digital experience with Jutro. We'll actually hear more about Jutro in our next launch. The bottom line is that APD has become an essential part of our development and delivery methodology that gets our customer to production faster than ever before. Unlocking the full business value of data starts with making it easy to access and leverage that data. Since we first introduced Guidewire Cloud, another of our key imperatives has been to make it data-driven. Today, the platform is managing over 30 billion records from more than 250 sources, representing 135 terabytes of stored data in our cloud data lake. With data volume growing rapidly, we projected there will be over 60 billion records and over 300 terabytes of data by the end of this year. Cloud Data Access, or CDA, leverage data streaming service to provide access in near real time to your data. It can be used in conjunction with our new tool like Data Studio to customize your data stream and how you want to consume it. CDA continues to be the most robust and strategic option for accessing data in the cloud. Now, some customers moving to Guidewire Cloud have requested a more incremental approach. That's why in Elysian, we're providing selected customers with 2 additional options for core data access. First, a data read-only replica of production database that is synced in real time. Second, a snapshot of the production database that is refreshed every 24 hours. Both options provide you with the deployment flexibility you need while continuing to fulfill your current data integration access and analytics requirements. Our last cloud imperative focuses on making it easier to integrate with the Guidewire platform. To enable this, in the Cortina release, we introduced the Cloud Integration Framework that included a set of Insurance Suite Cloud API that keeps expanding, an app event service, and an enterprise-class integration gateway. Today, I'm very pleased to announce that Integration Gateway is now GA, or generally available to all our cloud customers. Integration Gateway externalizes integration logic from the Insurance Suite core, allowing customers and partners to deliver integration faster and in a much more standardized way. Customers can use integration from partners in the Guidewire marketplace. And now, we're allowing customers to obtain integration through a new subscription service called Guidewire Connect. This subscription service enables customers to take advantage of packaged integration designed and built based on Guidewire best practice. And because it's a subscription, we ensure it's always kept up to date with the latest changes made by the responsible third-party vendor. That completes my review of key platform highlights.